Hi everybody, I'm Tara from Crooked Row, and today we're going to make some corn salsa. We have just harvested all of our sweet corn, and I put a lot of it away in the freezer on the cob still, and I have a video that we can link to that. But silly girl. But today we're gonna make corn salsa. I don't know if you guys go to Chipotle, but my sons love Chipotle, and so I like to try to challenge myself and make the out to eat food, but make it at home and make it better. So the start of that is going to be the corn salsa. And so corn salsa, really you can put whatever you want in the corn salsa, but to kind of compete with Chipotle, I'm gonna make it similar to theirs, but kind of kick it up a notch. And so I'm gonna go in the garden right now, and I'm gonna pull some fresh ingredients that we can put in the corn salsa, and then we'll have another video later where I'm gonna do a barbacoa against Chipotle chili who did it better video. But right now, today is all about corn salsa. I just blanched my corn, and when I'm finished getting the other ingredients from the garden, then we'll come back and we'll go ahead and we'll put together the salsa so that you can make it too. Let's get in the garden. Let's go shopping. Well, here's our haul from the garden. We have cilantro, a red onion, a jalapeno, 2 cucumbers, of course the corn. I don't believe you can see green onions, and 2 big juicy tomatoes. So here in just a snap, we're gonna get all of these chopped, diced, and ready to go to make our corn salsa. Okay, I just wanted to show you how you get a flat part of the cob, and then it's so easy. I mean, you just cut. I mean, you don't want to get the cob itself, but you're just, I mean, this is not rocket science. I always say this. It's not rocket science. It just takes a little bit of time, but not tons. We're just looking for 2 to 3 cups of corn. You can also use frozen corn if you want. I keep these and give these to our dairy cow. But this is just our blanched corn on the cob that we harvested yesterday. And you really want to use freshly picked corn right away, or freeze it. I have a video for freezing it too, but this is just super duper important. I'm not going to show you how to cut everything up, but I just wanted to show you very quickly how extremely fast and easy it is to just cut the corn. Like, this is so no big deal. I know they actually have like a type of, it's almost like a small board that you can run across a, I don't know if it's like a mandolin or a razor, that will make this process maybe a little more streamlined, especially if you have more than what we do. We don't do tons of corn because we don't eat tons of corn, but it's that simple. super easy. We just shopped from our garden, came back in, and made one of the prettiest corn salsas I've ever seen. I just love it. Now you can tweak these ingredients. I mean, I didn't see any ingredients where people added cucumbers. I added cucumbers. I'd really actually, like right before I serve it, I'm gonna put some avocado in it too. So I'm gonna add some avocado in our next, whenever I serve this. I'm actually gonna allow this to marinate. I just feel like the flavors marry a lot better if we can let it sit for at least an hour, but I really want to make it sit longer than that. We just made this. So I want the kids to give an honest review of how, this is not salsa, this is not tomato salsa, this is corn salsa, okay?
Okay.
Okay. You ready, Jed?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
I think it's really good.
You like it? It's different, huh? It's like sweeter? I love it.
It's sweeter and a little bit less spicier. Yeah, and I think the taste is a lot different.
It's a lot different.
Yeah.
And you can taste the sweetness of the corn, the acidity from the lime. It's crunchy. The tomatoes actually add like a softer texture to it, so I'm really glad I put the tomatoes in. And if you don't like cilantro, go ahead and put whatever herb you can actually take. I would put in Italian parsley if I didn't like cilantro, but if you like cilantro, I love the cilantro in this. It's so good. It actually gives it like a really deep flavor with the red onion. We actually double onion it, so it's like we clipped some of our onion tops and we use those. You can use, if you don't have a garden, buy it from the supermarket. I mean, all these ingredients are so fresh right now. Or a local farmer's market's even better. It is just refreshing and delicious. I'm actually going to make another video where we're going to utilize this in a couple days, and I'm going to make some barbacoa. This sweetness and acidity on some, you know, rich beef barbacoa is just yummy. So stay tuned for that. And please remember, if we can make corn salsa,
anybody can.
Anybody can. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.